Korean grammar. Making verbs into nouns.
는 것, 기, 는 것.
The most basic and general way of changing an action verb into a noun. It can be translated as a way of saying, doing something or the act of doing something.
하다 becomes 하는 것. 기.
This form is a tiny bit more informal than verb stem plus noun goat. This form is also often used when making a to-do list.
공부하다 becomes 공부하기.
Only used when the noun becomes its own, independent noun.
가르치다 becomes 가르침. 는 것.
Conjugation. Past tense.
버브 스템 플러스 으는 것. 가다 becomes 간 것.
Present tense.
버브 스템 플러스 는 것. 가다 becomes 가는 것.
Future tense.
버브 스템 플러스 으르 것. 가다 becomes 갈 것.
Sample sentences.
지난주에 공부한 것을 잊어버렸어요.
I forgot the thing that I studied last week.
친구한테 말한 것이 후회돼요.
I regret the thing that I told my friend.
어제 동생한테 준 것이 뭐예요?
What is the thing that you gave your younger sibling yesterday?
약을 먹는 것이 싫어요.
I don't like taking medicine.
기타 치는 것을 좋아해요.
I like playing the guitar.
다리가 아파서 걷는 것이 힘들어요.
My legs hurt, so walking is difficult.
집에 먹을 것이 하나도 없네요.
There is nothing to eat at home.
내일 공부할 것이 뭐예요?
What is the thing that we will study tomorrow?
제가 갈 곳은 캐나다예요.
The place I will go to is Canada.
기. 한국 드라마 보기를 좋아해요.
I like watching Korean dramas.
비 오는 날 학교 가기는 쉽지 않아요.
It's not easy going to school on a rainy day.
외국어를 배울 때 읽기, 쓰기, 듣기, 말하기는 모두 매우 중요해요.
When we learn a foreign language, reading, writing, listening and speaking are all very important.
Conjugation.
Verb stem that ends in a consonant ad eum.
젊다 becomes 젊음.
Verb stem that ends in a vowel ad meum.
느끼다 becomes 느낌. 한국에 처음 왔을 때는 한국말도 모르고 문화도 달라서 어려움이 많았어요.
When I first came to Korea, I had a lot of difficulties because I didn't know Korean and the culture was different.
너의 도움은 필요 없어.
I don't need your help.
이 느낌이 좋아요.
I like this feeling.
Let's learn together. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.